Hey guys, for this video we're going to take a look at this Mileseey Xtape1 laser distance meter and physical tape measure. Probably the most unique measuring device you're ever going to see. They were nice enough to send me this for free so I can make a video showing it to you. We'll go through some of the features and what it's all about, and then I'll let you know how you guys can get your hands on one if you are interested. So what's really cool about this thing is we have the kind of cross green laser here, which is our starting point for measuring using the laser. See the little red dot right there? 24 and 13/16. But then it also works with our physical tape. So watch as I pull the tape out, we are updating our distance. Now that is a 12-foot physical tape measure, and then the laser has a 330-foot range. It also has a magnetic end on it, so we can just stick it there and pull it back, and you can see we are lining up our laser wherever we need it, and we're just going to put it right there, and we are at 22, 17, 30 seconds, so super accurate. You can get feet, inches, metric, centimeters, meters, millimeters, whatever you want. And then we have the little finger button on the back to retract our tape measure. You can see also at the top here, we do have a level, so we can know when we're nice and straight, which hopefully in some regards you already know that. This is rechargeable with a USB-C port there. In the package you also get the case and the charge cable. We also have a nice little user's guide with pictures and everything that shows you exactly how to use it. If you've ever looked at laser tape measures in the past, they have a lot of functions for area, volume, direct length, indirect length. It has all of these. And the other thing that's really cool about this is it splits apart. So we can just take this top part off right here. If we only want to use the laser measure and don't need the physical tape, we can separate these and still get all of those basic functions just like so. Now if we go to the menu button, you can see some of these different options that we have. Continuous, area, volume, indirect length, indirect height, point to point, stakeout, tilt angle. We can also change where we are measuring from, if you're measuring from the back of the device or the front of the device. When we're hooked up to the physical tape, which again, all you gotta do is press it just like so, and you are back in action. By clicking the set button on the side here, we can scroll over to line reference, and if we click on that, we can choose where we're measuring from, the middle of the green beam, the top of the beam, or the bottom of the beam. So that's how precise you can get with this guy. We're splitting the beam in half. You can also get the Smart Life app, connect this to an app to save all your measurements and everything. You can change our unit of measurement there. There's the wireless link. We can turn off that beep if you're not a big fan of hearing the beep every time you hit something, which put me in that category. We can change the look of our tape, go a little classical there. We can rotate the display, change the color theme. Look at that. Look at that nice yellow tape we got now. I like it. You see it continuously updates as we pull our tape out. And taking a little bit of look of the physical tape. So we have all our traditional markings that you expect from just a normal tape measure. And again, we're updating all along the way. It's upside down, but again, that one setting, you could rotate your display. Now also on the back side, we have the scale as well. Have a tripod mount on the bottom if you had a use for that. Now we can go through the menu and hit on some of the more common advanced features you may use. So first, the continuous measurement. We click that guy right there, and you can see as we aim at different things, if we come downward a little, you can see how we're getting closer, and it'll continuously update Another pretty common one is area. Here we'll need 2 different measurements to give us our area of something. So let's say we're going to go right there. That gives us our first measurement. Then we're going to go hit this wall over here to get our second measurement, and we get our answer. Pretty similar to area, but we also have volume. And it shows in the graphic on the left what we need to measure. So we're doing the height first, going all the way up to the ceiling there. And now we need the length, or whatever you were going to call it, this way right here. And then we need the other one. We're going to go this way right here this time. And bam, now we have our entire volume of this little square we're in. You can also use this guy to find angles. So if we zero this out where we're at right here, and then give it a little turn, you can see it goes up. We can see our good light right there. Our 90-degree angle. All real precise and stuff. So there it is, guys, the Mileseey Xtape1. This is a Kickstarter campaign. I will put a link in the description down below. They still have an early bird offer where first adopters, first backers can get this at a discounted rate. So if you're interested, make sure to check out that link down below. Thanks for watching. Make sure to give the video a like, subscribe for a subscriber. I'll see you guys next time.